This is my Fit Tech 2.5. It's got some parts on it. It's got ODI grips, S&M, I think Grand Slam XLT or Slam XLT bars, S&M stem, Alienation front rim, Shadow spokes, and a Primo hub N4. I got some Animal pedals, Shadow Conspiracy seat, it's really comfortable. Then I got a Shadow Conspiracy seat post, it's pretty light. And I got a proper back rim. And I think it's a stock tire in the back, and in the front it's a salt dirt tire. And yeah, that's pretty much it though. Yeah, I like it. It's a pretty nice bike. Pretty soon I'm going to be getting premium white cranks. What was the sprocket? I think it was probably the animal sprocket. I forgot what it was called. Or the Stolen Bikes Eternity Ring sprocket. And then I'm going to get a Primo back hub. Mixed cassette, I think. Okay, so that's it for my bike check. I think it's a 2010 or 2009 Fit Tech 2.5. And yeah, that's it for the bike check.